Deadwood pops it back the other way. Durant with the step.
Let's talk about sports stars, specifically NBA stars. Most people think that when it comes to these ballers of the court that the main majority of their money comes from their contracts. But if they're smart, that won't be the case. Because many NBA players, both past and present, have not only done endorsement deals to get more money, but they invest in things that can pay out huge for them. And a great example of this is happening right now with Kevin Durant, because he made a move that could net him tens of millions. So allow us to show you how Kevin Durant makes millions off a Coinbase investment. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Kevin Durant's money. Kevin Durant is currently in his 14th NBA season, and while he may not be doing well on the court right now due to injuries, off the court he's doing great, especially when it comes to his finances. According to SpotRack, the two-time final MVP has made roughly $263 million through the course of his career. Plus, Durant is currently in the second season of a 4-year, $164 million deal with the Brooklyn Nets. He also earned substantial amounts of money off the court. Forbes has listed his sponsorship earnings at $35 million in 2020. His net worth is around $170 million according to that same source. So in short, he's making a lot of money. But he'll be making tens of millions more if potentially his Coinbase investment booms like many feel that it will. Coinbase. KD co-founded 35 Ventures with his business partner Rich Kleiman in 2016. His relocation to the Bay Area allowed him to take a closer look at the tech startup scene. One of the developments that Durant and company were able to capitalize on was the cryptocurrency boom. 35 Ventures was part of Coinbase's Series D funding in 2017 that raised $100 million at a $1.6 billion valuation. KD's decision turned out to be one of the most profitable investments in the tech startup space. Coinbase grew to an $8 billion valuation within a year of this entry. Coinbase reported last week that its Q1 revenue was up 847% year over year to around $1.8 billion. The cryptocurrency trading platform reportedly has 56 million users, which is incredible, and the projection is that it's only going to get bigger from there. Payout. The company is projected to hit a $100 billion valuation after its recent IPO, in which shares closed at $78 above the $250 initial price on opening day. It's hard to know how many shares KD bought and what the price point he did them at, but it is reasonable to expect that he invested somewhere between $500,000 to a few $1,000,000, in which case he would be looking at a payday in excess of $30 million if he sold today, which is a large amount no matter how you look at it. And that's only if he was to sell right now. He could keep it and wait for the value to grow more, so thus he could make more, which many have done in recent times. Number 1, proof of cryptocurrency value. Here's the thing. A lot of people have been asking over the last several years, and especially in the last several months, whether cryptocurrency is something to invest in or just wait to see what happens. Many of you out there have no doubt heard the stories about the rise of Bitcoin, and those who invested in it early are now worth millions, and how other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin have been seeing their value rising, with and without the help of Elon Musk and so on. And now you have someone like Kevin Durant investing in a platform that goes and trades in cryptocurrency. So is this all the proof we need to go and make investments in this market? In truth, that's up to you to decide. But while things like Bitcoin and Dogecoin have seen a massive rise in their values, they have also seen massive falls. Plus, there's still a huge divide amongst those who are willing to try out cryptocurrencies and those who claim they have no value. Now, while that may be true, there is no doubt that Kevin Durant is getting value from his purchase and that it might grow in time. So what do you think? What do you think of this look at how Kevin Durant invested in cryptocurrency and how it might just pay off huge? Are you shocked by how much money he could make off of this investment? Do you feel that this is something that proves cryptocurrency is a valuable investment? Or was this just a fluke with a top talent? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the channel.